Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily what sold video. These are the orders on eBay. So another slow day on eBay. 10 orders, 82 bucks. So $8 and some odd cents per postcard. This is large letter greetings from Tennessee. Vintage linen. I'm not exactly, or can't remember who won the Tennessee postcard lot last night on Whatnot, but there's at least one or two of these in that lot. So there's your comp 724 for a large letter Tennessee card. Next, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Fire Department Mack trucks, engine, tower, ladder. I've talked about these Harrisburg Fire Department cards before. $3.99. Got a whole bunch of them. Even though this says sold out, I have more. This is Harrisburg Fire Department trucks, tower of power, ladder trucks. Same thing. Have probably another 30 copies of this card. Of each card, there was like again 68 in the series. I think I don't have any more like 1 through 10. I don't have any more of those, which is strange. But anyway, $4.99 for that. Fort Wayne, Indiana, sunken garden in Lakeside Park. Took a best offer of $5. Next, Miami Beach, Florida, Hotel MacArthur, multi-view lobby, bedroom. Not typical bedroom. Wow, it's a nice typical bedroom. Oh, maybe that's the typical bedroom. Let me see. Oh, that's the lobby I was looking at. $15.99. So, old Miami Beach hotels. Sell very well. This is Russian postcard, real photo postcard of painting of Alexander Pushkin and someone else, the Anthons duel. So it's just a real photo of a painting, and that sold for $14. And next, Rehoboth Beach. Moonlight sailing at Dewey Beach, Rehoboth. So one of those Delaware beachy towns. Sold for $4.49. Next, Mystic Isle Island, New Jersey, 1950 scenic view boat pier. So it's just a really generic view. The buyer said, "Hey, if you have any more, let me know." So if you have any Mystic Island or Mystic Isle, New Jersey, get them up. There's some buyer out there actively looking for them. $8 on that card. I was hesitant to take this offer. This is New Kensington, Pennsylvania, M.E. Church. The person who I just sold this to had made an offer to me. I accepted that offer, and then they canceled the sale. So, and it was, I don't know. They just canceled the sale. Didn't want it. But here they made another offer for the same card. And after a few days, they had to re-offer because I just ignored it the first time. But on the second time, I went ahead and took it. $4.75 for that one because I went back through and they actually had bought other cards and paid for them. So went ahead and sold it to them. It looks a lot better in person. Looks like some water drippage stains on here, but it looks a lot better in person. And it's been up for 7-8 years, so let it go. Large letter greetings from Boston, Massachusetts. Came in the big auction lots that I bought in August and sold for $2.99. So there's that. Real quick on Whatnot, Saturday 7:30. Postcards by the pound. Just to let you know, gonna get rid of postcards. Like I said, I'm gonna ride the Whatnot wave for as long as I can, and if I can get rid of postcards, I'm gonna get rid of postcards. You guys pay 10 cents each. You pay 25 cents, 50, whatever you pay. I'm getting rid of these postcards. I have way too many. And yesterday I alluded to bye eBay. I mean, eventually I'm gonna quit eBay. I can't do this forever, but that's more of a I ain't doing shit on eBay until Whatnot takes a dump. eBay, I'm not gonna feed that. It's gonna I'm just going to let it ride. Just let it coast. If I only make 40 bucks a day, 80 bucks a day, that's fine, because truthfully, in the 3 shows I've done on Whatnot, and thanks to you for being incredible buyers, and on the 3 shows I've made more than I make in 2 months on eBay recently anyway. So yeah, I'm going to stick with Whatnot, and I want to get these cards into your hands and out of my house. So yeah. And just a continuation of the story yesterday from that seller with 5 user IDs. I still don't know what to think of it. So they wrote me back on their main account, said that pretty much something went wrong. This is a reply to my message. But then they sent 5 more messages pretty much saying almost the exact same thing. Some were written a little bit different, some had spelling errors. They all pretty much say the exact same thing, that there was a guy was having a problem. So it's just still weird. Why would you send me 5 replies? But they were saying that there was some sort of yeah, I don't know what's going on. So I wrote back and asked, do you want me to cancel the other 4 orders and just honor the buys from your main account? And I haven't heard back from them, so I'm going to contact eBay. It just still seems fishy. So, well, that's it. I thank you all again for another successful Whatnot show last night. If you're a seller, get in there. If you're a seller in the antique world and you have a whole bunch of backstock, get in there. Yeah, all I can say is get in there. I'm getting rid of backstock that I will never ever list, and it's better than my wife burning it in the backyard when I die. So yeah, I would go ahead and jump on Whatnot and ride it as long as you can. Okay, that's it. Thank you all again. Hope your sales are terrific.